Hi traders, let's predict on where this trend is chasing. For example, what I will do right now is to do technical analysis. But first, like and subscribe on my channel. Firstly, we mark here. As we mark here, what we need to do is mark this place, for example. Okay, I hope you people follow me, like and subscribe on my channel. I think from here price will come, then retest to this environment, then we come to this place. Firstly, like and subscribe on my channel. This is where our entry will begin. Our stop loss, if you put it above, but I prefer to put it under because trading is all about takes most risks, you understand? Okay, then here you see we'll mark again. But observe something, once price easily break like this, notice that we still go an uptrend again. But I believe that price will never break that position because price already moved. We are in uptrend, so price need to retrace to sell, then we can continue buying or and sell. You know market now, so market is all about try to know how to do technical analysis. When you know how to do technical analysis, market will never scare you and you'll never fear on it. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe on my channel. See you next time.